Hi, I'm Matt with RV1 Superstores, here to go over the all-new Jayco J-Series Sport tent trailer. I'm super excited. This unit's full of features, so let's get right to it. Starting off with the lifter system, which is a Jayco exclusive, has a lifetime warranty on its lifter system. The nice thing about it, the secret to it actually, is right behind this. If you open this up, it's actually a double steel lifter system. So this actually is pushing the unit all the way up for the one-piece fiberglass roof. And then underneath the coach, most brands will put pulleys and strings underneath the pop-up, where Jayco doesn't use any of that. It's a push rod system that's fully encased in metal steel underneath the unit to ensure a complete lifter system free of any hassles or issues. The other nice feature, that this is a great shot of it, is it comes with a Jayco exclusive Duratec tent section material. This is awesome because it's super breathable. It's vinyl over canvas material, so it's got the durability of the canvas on the inside with the water repellency of it on the exterior. The other nice thing, it actually has a double stitching to ensure that none of the stitching will come out over time. This has a 5-year warranty on it. And then inside, it's actually a 5-piece sectionalized tent section. What I mean by that, it fits like a glove. You can actually unzip it. If you ever have any issues with the unit whatsoever as far as the tent goes, you can actually unzip this one piece and replace it piece by piece. So you have a 5-piece sectionalized tent section, where most brands will just give you a 1-piece tent material, and it's really, really hard to maintain. Not on a Jayco. If you pan down the side here, you're actually going to notice that upgraded tinted windows on their J-Series pop-up line. The nice thing here is most brands in this price point will put cheap, clear plastic windows in it. Not Jayco. You're actually going to get the tinted, upgraded windows. It's going to make it cooler inside. It's going to make it a little bit more private inside, and it's not going to eat up the UV rays on your fabrics. We're going to go over to the 1-piece entry door. The nice feature here is this door is not 2 pieces. Most brands will give you a 2-piece door, and it's very hard and cumbersome to use, set up, take down. Not the Jayco. It's easy, it's spring-loaded, it essentially closes by itself, and it has its own locking system. Down at the step here, if you pan down, it's actually a full metal step with a grip, so you're never going to slip and fall. It's easy to put in and easy to take out. Setup super easy. That's Jayco. To expand a little bit more on the tent section, super convenient feature here. Jayco actually screws in their tent material to each bunk end underneath this threading. The nice thing there is when you're setting up and you're pulling this bunk end out, you actually don't have to jump in to pull the tent section out because it's already screwed into the bunk end, and it comes with it. So it just makes setup and tear down 10 times easier. That's a Jayco exclusive. Coming around to the other side, this actually comes with an upgraded powder-coated frame. It's going to hold up much better over time, and you're not going to get any debris, rust. It's just going to hold up and give you a better resale value. You're also going to get your diamond plate. This is a big deal here. When you're going down the road, any debris on the thruway or what have you, it's going to rocks, any of that stuff. It's going to keep your unit looking strong and durable over time. We also give you a 120-pound propane tank, no charge, and fill that up for you, as well as an RV marine grade battery, no charge. If you pan up, this is a great shot of the bunk end. This is something that is almost unheard of in tent trailers. They actually use plywood instead of particle board up top here. Most brands put the glued together wood dust for your bunk end. The Jayco J-Series pop-up is going to give you 1,100-pound holding capability on each bunk end. The Jayco J-Series is equipped with a 28-gallon massive freshwater holding tank. So wherever you go, water's not going to be an issue. But the most important part about that holding tank is it's actually centrally located in between the tires and right in the middle of the coach where the axle is. So it's going to have maximum weight distribution, and it's going to give you a better tow all the way around. You're going to get 4 upgraded stabilizer jacks that crank down easily. Some of the other cheap brands won't even put them on there. Jayco, they've been doing this 50 years. They know what you want. The Jayco J-Series also comes standard with the 25-foot extension cord, which is super easy to use and gives you power anywhere you go. This actually comes with a full-size spare tire, carrier, and cover. Most dealers won't option this in, and you're going to have to add another $200, $250 for that. Here, Jayco gives it to you no charge. The other nice feature here is the Jayco J Series comes with the one-piece door, but then you can also take the detachable bottom portion of the door off for ease of access. The other nice feature, you have an indoor-outdoor cooktop. So you have a 2-burner stove by Suburban. It's got the wind flaps, so it won't put the flames out. Super easy to use. And then on top of that, you have a propane quick connect down here, which is really easy to use. Then Jayco puts in a amber light on your campsite side just so you can see what you're doing. You're cooking, you're camping out, and you want to know what's going on. You're always going to have your amber light nice and easy and accessible right there for you. And just below that are extra outlets. So if you want to plug in a stereo or a fan or what have you, you have that as well. This comes with a full bag awning, no charge to you. It's not installed right now, but we install it and we don't charge for that whatsoever. So you're going to get your full upgraded awning. It's going to come out about 7 feet from the unit to give you optimum shade. The other nice thing too, up at the top, this roof is a one-piece fiberglass roof. It's domed, has a nice curve to it, so it's going to maximize water runoff. You're not going to get any leaks. Most brands have a cheap metal roof on there. It's going to be very loud. It's not insulated. Here you're going to get a one-piece fiberglass domed curved roof that's going to give you maximum water runoff, and that's also going to give you a lifetime warranty on the roof. Jayco also gives you a lifetime warranty on your bunk ends. Remember we talked about the plywood bunk ends. Lifetime warranty there, lifetime warranty on their frame, lifter system. It's super exciting, 5 lifetime warranties. Come on in. If you don't want to cook outside, you want to cook inside, you can bring the stovetop right inside. It's very lightweight, and you can just park it right here, hook it up in the back, and you're good to go for any cooking inside. The other nice feature, we talked about the 28-gallon freshwater holding tank. This comes with an on-demand 12-volt water pump as well. So you actually have a full faucet and sink. Here's your thermostat for your furnace. That's awesome. Most brands don't come with that. And if you take a look at the mattress, this is actually an upgraded Denver mattress. It's a Jayco exclusive. It's actually called the Teddy Bear Bunk Series. So it's super plush, really, really comfortable. And then underneath that, you're going to have your upgraded plywood instead of your particle board. And that's going to be rated for 1,100 pounds. And remember, you're going to pick up your lifetime warranty on your bunk end too. Up top, you actually have a nice fan and a light. The cool thing about this table, you can actually take it outside. It's super lightweight. I know some campgrounds I've been to, their picnic tables weren't the best, so you can actually utilize this as your picnic table outside. All your cushions, again, are handmade right at Jayco, made in America. And then the cool thing with the dinette cushions is they actually have a vinyl backing on it. So if you have a wet bathing suit on, or if you have a messy eater, I have a 3-month-old, so I'd probably flip that over so it's easy to clean up. And then I don't know if you can get a good shot of this, but underneath that, plywood. That's a big deal with Jayco. Most brands put the cheap Luan or cheap particle board underneath. That's super thick, heavy-duty plywood. It's going to hold up over time. Remember, they've been building this for 50 years. They know what they're doing at Jayco. This unit is equipped with full curtain package. So most brands, they cheapen it up. They won't give you the upgraded curtains. They don't give you the privacy curtains. This comes with it at our super low sale price. And then on top of that, if you pan up to the ceiling, you're actually going to notice it actually comes with a 14-inch super fan. It almost sucked the cameraman out of the shot, but you have actually an upgraded 14-inch super fan in here. You got 1, 2, 3 settings on here. Most brands don't give you a roof vent whatsoever. This is actually going to give you not just a roof vent, but it's going to give you your 14-inch super fan. On top of that, it's actually pre-wired for a roof mount AC if you'd like. So we can do that for you. If you live in the south and you want an additional air conditioner, it's already pre-wired, so it's going to save you some money there too. Just to recap, that brings us out to the Jayco J Series pop-up. all new. Again, you got your 5 lifetime warranties, 1-piece fiberglass roof, and on top of that, we do all the financing in-house. Give us a call today and you can take it home today. Thank you.